Look at that beautiful big old bird. He was in that little lake and I missed him. I couldn't open the camera fast enough. Flew up there in the tree. But he was out there in this little pond. See if we can sneak up on him. Oh, look at him. Try to get a little closer before he flies. Big crane. I don't know what kind of bird. I don't know if that's a seagull or a crane, but that's a big old bird. I've never seen one up on a tree like that. I know I'm kind of bumping the camera, but I got to walk slowly towards him before he flies. I know at some point when I get closer, he'll probably fly, and I want to catch it on camera. There he goes. He hears the dogs messing around. Be quiet, buddy. Blue, come out of the water. Yeah. You're gonna scare off the... Over the rainbow. Yeah, you scared him off too soon, buddy.